Chat GPT is taking the jobs of content writers. Now, is it also taking the jobs of data analysts? We will see it in this video. Chat GPT has recently introduced Code Interpreter in its Plus version that can clean data, that can generate dummy data for you, and it can perform data analysis, generates visuals for you. So basically data generation, data cleaning, data preparation, data transformation, data analysis, data visualization. It can do all of those operations now. In this video, we will see why dummy data is being used and how ChatGPT can generate it. Dummy data is used for software testing, training machine learning models, understanding customer behaviors, designing new products and services, and protect the sensitive data by giving the dummy data to the software instead of giving the actual data. We can protect the actual data. By generating the dummy data, companies save their time and money. Instead of doing surveys, they can use the dummy data to test all of their phenomena, softwares, and it is also important for educating employees. For example, you are learning Power BI, you are learning any software, data analysis or data visualization software, so you need that data to generate the dashboard. Let's see how to access that code interpreter. Here, click on these three dots, click on settings, click on beta features, and here you will see code interpreter. Turn on this button, click on cross, and now you will have here the code interpreter. If I click on that and if I give any command to generate that data, it will generate that data for me. And also I can upload any data file to do the analysis. In this video we will only generate the data, so let's give it a command. It took some assumptions and it is asking for confirmation, and now it will generate the data for us. In ChatGPT 3.5 and 4, this table is generated, but we don't get the CSV. It is here. It is giving us show work. If we click on that, it will show us the work that it done, but we want to export the CSV, so I will give a command. This table can be generated with ChatGPT 3.5 as well, but we cannot export the data that it is showing me right now. Download employee data.csv. If I click on that, now the file has been downloaded. Let's open the file, and here you can see employee name, age, salary, designation, and gender. We got all of those things up to 5,000 record. It's 5,001 because one is the header, so we got the data. Similarly, we can generate data for any field and with any number of columns. Let's try another command. It is taking some default columns because here we didn't give it details of the columns that we need. We just told that we need sales history data up to 2000 records, and now our file will be ready. A CSV we will be able to download. We got the link. Again, if I click on the link, the file will be downloaded. Let's open the file, and you see sales ID, product ID, date, quantity, and price. So we got the sales data as well. Similarly, you can generate data for any type of industry and with any number of columns, but you can access this feature only if you are using the Plus version. We have some alternative options as well for dummy data generation. If the purpose is to generate the dummy data only, then you don't need to buy the Plus version of ChatGPT. Instead, you can use the Python Faker library as well for this purpose that can generate the dummy data for you. You just Google it and you will find all of the details. Also, if you go into ChatGPT 3.5 version and ask it to generate some dummy data, then it will give you the code of Python Faker library that you need to execute on your computer to get the data. Instead, if you are not familiar with Python, you can also use these websites like this one. Here you have to enter the column names, the type of data, and we have a lot of options here to select from. You can add new fields, how many number of records you want, the final file, and click on generate data, and data will be generated and exported. Here we added two columns with same name, that is causing the error. Okay, so data has been generated. Here we go. Similarly, you can use this website generatedata.com, and there are many similar websites that you can just find on Google. In the next example, I generated some PDF invoices using it. I gave the prompt generate 10 PDF invoices and download for sales of IT services in July 2023. It asked for some information. I provided the info and it gave me the files. I gave an extra command to combine all of the files in a one folder, and I got it. This is the result that I achieved. It did a brilliant job. It generated the invoices, combined them, but the problem is it is just text. It doesn't have any specific formatting. After that, I refined the prompt. The invoices are very simple. Add invoice number, follow a proper template, make it beautiful, add table for amount, round amount or digits to 2 digits. It answered that, it understood all of the requirements. It asked some questions. I just said assume each thing and do the work. After that, it generated the invoices again. It generated this PDF. Now it is looking a little bit beautiful. It added formatting as well, like it added the colors, headings, bold, and it added the table as well. Similarly, you can refine your prompt and get some amazing results. It can do some other things as well, like data analysis and data visualization, that we will be doing in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.